ayaw niyo sa daddy. That's a table. Hi, Daddy. Daddy, it's... Ayan, nandito kami sa Tom Tom's. And in order namin is yung sandwich nila. Ayan. Sandwich, of course, coffee. And then kay Daddy, gusto niya yung mga ganire. Ayan, gusto... Siyempre masarap. Ako na din. Okay.
Where's EJ?
He's getting his wings. I love it. So it's very simple. Lettuce and tomatoes. So akalabanan na.
Gotta sweat these things.
Ayun na si Elijah. Bring your own food. Ayan, bumili siya ng sarili niyang food. Fries and then wings. Halika na. Subo ka na. Yes, sit down na. No, it's okay, babe. He's using... Can you move one chair? You like wings? Oh, you share your fries? Okay. So, mabait. What? Let me see your food, kuya. Show them. Rice, of course. It's the honey garlic.
I don't know Spanish. They don't teach that in school.
Really?
In my school, though.
How do you say 20 in your school?
20.
That's Spanish.
20.
Hi! Amari! Tignan nyo naman si Amari. Close na close sa kanyang daddy. Ito binili natin sa kanya. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 1, 2, 3. Eat and bought his toys. He's good na. And these two wanted to go on a 90. Meron nang nauna, oh. Pero next sila dyan. What movie? Jackie Chan? What movie is that? Rush Hour? She asked what movie? Oh, do they have Conjuring? Ata may Conjuring. Insidious. Si Amari satisfied na. Wala nang pake. Because of the gravity. Kasi meron na siyang Kuya, come here. Yes, ma'am. Saan po yan, ma'am? At sa damit. O, kuya, isa ka ng empleyado dito. You're employed. Okay, daddy, you give it to daddy. Momo lang. Go time pwede ba? Gcash? Go time? Cash lang. Pasensya na wala. Ha? You're officially hired. Oh, it's your turn na, kuya. Ano pinili mong movie? Tigilan mo. Tigilan mo. Masisira ka rin. So I can experience it. Ito naman, ang likot oh. Amari! Hi! Oh, sus! Nangihirap ka pa Elijah's favorite is chicken. He has a different lunch. So, ito na siya. Ayan na siya. Taco, shrimp taco. Siyempre, perfect yan with Tabasco.
Tabasco.
There it is.
She loves Tabasco.